Guys, welcome to week 3. Just as a recap, last week you started your dream jobs. That was the week of March 23rd through 27th, and you followed the weekly agenda at the beginning of the module. To start the week, you watched a video in which I explained expository writing, and then you guys completed that guided meditation and reflection, followed by then choosing your dream job based on your hobbies, interests, and passions. You followed that up with some research into your dream job, and then you completed a grammar, conventions, and mechanics ed puzzle at the end of the week, tying together some of these elements of grammar that are going to be really important in the next step of writing your resume. Now, you'll also notice here in the module that there are 2 optional assignments called TED Ed grammar videos and spelling and punctuation videos. Again, those are completely optional, but they are extra credit. So I encourage you to do them, though they are not required, of course. This week, you guys are going to be writing your resumes. What's a resume? Well, click on step 1, what's a resume video, to find out. But first, let's go into the weekly agenda and get an overview of what's in store. This week, you're not going to see hyperlinks in the agenda. I'm expecting you guys to actually go to the module and use that to help guide your process. Last week I easy linked everything. This week I am expecting you guys to be in a little bit more of a flow with the digital learning and to use the module to guide you step by step by step. Here's the thing. Last week, pretty much every day, you had a small assignment that you were supposed to do. Each assignment should have taken you no more than 15 minutes max. This week, each day's assignment is going to take you somewhere between 15 and 20, maybe even 30 minutes, depending on your pace. However, I want to also let you guys know that since this is sort of a move at your own pace week, if you're one of those people who would rather just sit down and knock out the whole process in the span of 1 to 2 concentrated hours, you go, Glen Coco. However, if you are one of those people who's like, no, I only want to work about 15, 20 minutes a day in composition and I want to space it out, then that's the way I've written it in the weekly agenda. However, like I said, since you're navigating through modules, you can always just go on to the next step when you're ready. It's whatever works for you. The only thing is that if we were in class, I'd be able to sort of prompt you on to the next thing if I felt like you were kind of, stuck or maybe kind of getting distracted. I don't want you guys to wait until Friday when this is due to start, because I think that you're going to find yourself in a little bit of a pickle and you'll start to feel overwhelmed. And I just worry that that procrastination strategy would be a bad one for this assignment. But like I said, since it is a week-long project and you have the full week to complete it and it's due on Friday at midnight, the pacing is up to you. Honestly, the sooner you get it done, the sooner you're done with my class before we head into spring break. So whatever makes the most sense for you and your strategy, go for it.